Hi students, the third type of problem from a Carnot engine. During a cyclic process, a heat engine absorbs 500 joule of heat from a hot reservoir, does work and then ejects an amount of 300 joule of heat into the surroundings. Calculate the efficiency of the heat engine or Carnot engine. Okay. Now, among the two values given here, 500 joule is higher, is it not? So, Q higher. This is also denoted by Q1. This is equal to 500 joule. So, this is taken from the source. And the lower value is Q low, L for low. And this is denoted by Q2. And this is equal to how much? 300 joule. The cold surrounding acts as the sink. So, now we have to find the efficiency. You see here, Q high is also proportional to TH. That is proportional to T1. And Q low is proportional to TL, which is proportional to T2. So, efficiency is given by eta is equal to 1 minus T2 by T1. This is equal to 1 minus TL by TH, or eta is equal to 1 minus QL by QH. This is the expression I am going to use. So, what is QL? First of all, 300. So, this is now equal to 1 minus 300 divided by QH is 500. So, 0 get cancelled. Therefore, eta is now equal to 1 minus 3 by 5. So, this is equal to 5 minus 3 divided by 5. This is equal to 2 by 5 and this is equal to 0.4. So, the efficiency in percentage we have to find out. So, we have to multiply this 0.4 by 100. Okay, or the percentage efficiency eta is now equal to 0.4 into 100. So that this is equal to 40% is the correct answer. So this type of numerical problems, interesting problems, many are there. You have to prepare such types of problems and definitely it will meet you in the NEET as well as the JEE entrance. Okay, I hope you must have understood well. Fine.